Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a clear text on CapCut PC. I'm just going to add in this default text here, and I'm going to type in scary game. For instance, don't have to type in what I'm typing. Just trying to find a font here that suits the text a little bit more. How long is this going to take to download? Okay, I'm just going to use this one, whatever. To just make your text transparent, scroll down until you find the blend mode. Select it and you're just going to adjust the opacity. And now your text is see-through. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!